Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you fix the Facebook Messenger permission error. So if you are facing the error of permission on the Facebook Messenger, or if you open the Facebook Messenger and you see the option of or the notification of permission error, you can fix it. Let me show you how can you fix it. You have to come back and open your mobile settings, and then you have to go to the app management if you are using an Android version. So in the app management section you can see the option of app settings. You have to click on it. It will give you all the list of the app on your mobile phone. So you have to simple go to the messenger settings from here. Once you open the messenger settings, you can see the option of storage and cache. You have to click on it, and from the bottom right corner you have to clear all the cache. So in this way you can fix the Facebook Messenger permission error. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.